So what's up, everyone? Paying Freak the Freak Chef. Hell yeah. I'm excited. So my buddy and I were going out. We're going to go see a movie tonight. He called me up and he goes, you want to stop for pizza on the way? I figured, you know what? I got everything here to make pizza because I just made some pizza last night for someone. And so I have some extra crust or dough to make the crust. I got extra sauce. I got all kinds of stuff. So I figured, you know what? Let me throw together a Stromboli. Now, there may end up being a calzone. Well, no, it's more Stromboli. Okay. The difference is Stromboli is rolled out like a log with the sauce inside, normally made with the red tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese, whereas a calzone is folded like half moon type and stuffed with ricotta cheese, and you use the red sauce for dipping. It's pretty much the gist of it. So I'm thinking this is going to be like kind of one or the other. It may be a both. So maybe like a Frankenstein calzone, Stromboli, Zomboli. Oh my God, I like that. Zomboli. A zombie calzone Stromboli. Oh, we're gonna work on that one. I like that. We're gonna remember that forever. Oh yeah. So anyway, I figured, yeah, I mean, I was ready to leave, and because I'm all ready to go out and shit to the movie. Yeah, I know, I'm ready to go to the movie. See, people think that I just go barefoot and shirtless. Whenever I'm on camera now, I go everywhere barefoot and shirtless. So, but I figured, come on over. I'm gonna make Stromboli, calzone, whatever. So I'm going to throw that together right now because I got all the ingredients pretty much left over from yesterday. And here we go. So here's my dough. I already threw the oven on real quick to 450. And I got out some of the toppings and stuff that I had from yesterday, as well as this dough. I think this is going to be a little big for just two of us, but hey, we'll definitely have some leftovers later on. So that's good enough for us. I'm okay with that. All right, our leftover sauce. Spoon some of that on. You don't need a lot of the sauce. Kind of like when you do pizza, so you don't need a lot of that. We go with some of our Italian seasoning. Now, if you don't have Italian seasoning, Italian seasoning is just pretty much basil, oregano, garlic, sometimes parsley. So go ahead and shake some of that stuff on. We got our basil, our oregano now. Some garlic inside. I'm just using garlic powder for that. We'll go down with, I just roughly cut some of this mozzarella up just to get this going and get it in here, because we want this to start. I'm going to pretty much put it in as soon as he gets here. Actually, he's probably going to send me a text just before he leaves, or he's actually on his way. So I'm probably just going to throw this in so it's nice and hot, or at least it gets to cool down a little bit, so we can eat it. And down we go with some salami. There we go. Some pepperoni. There we go. Some pepperoni and salami and our Stromboli. A little bit of ham. I want this to kind of spread through the whole thing. There we go. A little bit more cheese to kind of hold that side together and kind of melt into the meat this way. Yep, that's all we're putting in here. Go ahead and give this a fold. Just pull it over. So I guess it's more the shape of a calzone, but it's stuffed like a Stromboli. So there we go, perfect. It's a Zomboli now. A zombie calzone Stromboli. I like to get those sides pinched together good so that all our filling stays in there and doesn't come out. Go ahead and ditch the gloves because we're done handling the actual food now. Next up, I put some butter in the pot back here. I didn't turn it on, but because the oven's heating, that back burner gets good. Warm enough to melt some butter. We're going to brush the top of this with some of our melted butter. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Give it a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. I'm just using garlic because I don't feel like chopping up a clove of garlic. Let's take some of that. Get that on top just like that. there. Both of us like a lot of garlic, so I'm going to use that liberally. Chop some of this on there. Like I said, our oven is preheated now, ready to 450 degrees. And off this goes right in there. Middle rack, 450 degrees for only about 6 to 8 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on it. And here we are, we're ready to pull it out. So let's see if our Stromboli is, or Zombioli is ready. Yes. Look at that. That is absolutely amazing, guys. So that's our Calzone Stromboli mixture, hybrid Zombioli or Zomboli. Yeah, our Frankenstein little folded pizza thing. So, there it is. So, our buddy is pulling in right now, so it's perfect timing. So he should be coming in any minute. I'm going to go ahead, cut this up, let it cool down just a little bit so we can hurry up and eat it so we can get to our movie. Because, yeah, we'll see if we make it on time. At least there's 2 more viewings after this. Fuck my shit. So, I'm Pain Freak, the Freak Chef. If you want me to cook for you, your party, your erotic party, your whatever it is, pain party, fetish party, whatever, bachelor, bachelorette party, hit me up on my website, painfreakofficial.com right there. And find out how to book me. You can also reach out to me on my social. And hope you guys are finding my new YouTube channel, Pain Freak Freak Chef, on YouTube just fine. So, love you guys.